to the class, children. Very good morning to everyone. So in the mathematics subject, we are in the third chapter, that is multiplication and division. Okay, so I think so we have learned rounding of numbers in the first chapter itself, that is large numbers. So in this multiplication and division, we are going to mix up rounding off and then we are going to do the multiplication. Shall we do it? So in the exercise 3.3, here you can see the estimate the product of each of the following by rounding off each number to the nearest 10. See here some sums they have given. First we have to round off. See here, nearest 10, nearest 100. Okay, so first we have to round off the numbers to the nearest 10 and we should do the multiplication. Okay, shall we do the sum? Yes. So the first thing is estimate. Estimate the product of each of the following by rounding off each number to the nearest 10. First we are gonna see nearest 10. Okay, first sum is 49 multiply 73. So what we have to do is, first we have to round these two numbers to the nearest tens place. I've already taught you this rounding of numbers, right? First take this number 49, okay? 4, 9. So nearest 10. This is ones, this is tens. So in tens place you are having number 4. So what we have to do, we have to check to the right side of the tens place. That is 9. Okay. So we have to compare this number to the 5, to the number 5. So which one is greater? Of course 9 is greater. If this number is, the next number is greater than 5 or equals to 5, so what we will be doing? We will be adding number 1 to the tens place plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So to the next numbers we will be adding straight away 0. So right side how many digits you are having, that many number zeros you have to add. So this will become as 50. So again same like this, 73 also we have to do. 73. This is ones and this is tens. So in tens place you can see number 7. Right side of the tens place you can see number 3. So when we compare this 3 and 5, which one is greater? Of course 5 is greater. So number 3 is small when we compare to 5. So what we have to do if the number is small? This number remains same. Okay? If this is small, what we have to do? We have to simply just add 0. So 50, 49 will come as 50, 73 will come as 70. So now we have to multiply this 50 and 70. We have completed now rounding to the nearest 10. Now we have to multiply. Okay. 0 zeros are 0. 0 5s are 0. So next 7, leave 1 cap. 7 zeros are 0. 7 5s are 35. Okay, now add 0, 0, 5 and 3. So this is the answer. I think you all understood. Shall we do the one more sum in the nearest 10? Yes. 29 into 62. 29 into 62. So first take 29. So this is ones and this is tens. Okay. Now in tens place you are having 2. Right side of the tens place 9 is there. So when we compare 9 to 5, of course 9 is greater. So we will be adding 1 to the tens place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So right side next to numbers you will be adding 0. So when you round off 29 to the nearest 10, it will become as 30. Okay. Then next 62. So this is ones and this is tens. So in tens place 6 is there. Right to next of tens place 2 is there. Compare 2 and 5. Which one is greater? 5 is greater, 2 is small. So this number remains same and this will become 0. So when we round off 62 to the nearest 10, we will get 60. So now we have to do the multiplication process. This 30 into 60. 0 zeros are 0, 0 threes are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 threes are 18. So add all the numbers, you'll get 0, 0, 8 and 1. Did you understand? So this is rounding off to the nearest 10. I think so everyone understood. So next we are going to do rounding off to the nearest 100. Okay. Okay. So next is rounding off to the nearest 100. Rounding off to the nearest 100. Okay, shall we do the sum? So first sum I'm going to teach you, that is 368 multiplied by 232. Okay, 368 multiplied by 232. First we'll take off 368. 368. Okay, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. So in hundreds place you can see number 3 is there. Okay, to the right of the 100 you can see 6. So when we compare 6 to 5, of course 6 is greater than 5. So you will be adding 1 in the place of 100. Okay, plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is of course 4. So to the next and all you will be adding 0, 0. Okay, 368, when you round it off to the nearest 100, you will get 400. Okay, then next 232. Okay, 232. Now ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so in the hundreds place you can see number 2 is there. To the next of the 100 place, you can see number 3. So of course when you compare it to the 5, 5 only is greater than 3. 3 is very small. So if it is small, what we'll do? This number will remain same. Simply we'll add 0, 0. Okay. So 400 for 368 and 200 for 232. Now we should multiply. Okay. 400 into 200. 0, 0. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 1, 2 fours are 8. 8. So what is the answer you are getting? Answer is yes, 80,000. Okay, 80,000. So you have to do like this only. At the end of the video, I'll give you the homework to do the sums. So second sum, I'll do it. One more sum in nearest 100. That is 658 into 359. First take 658. Ones, tens, 100. So in the hundreds place you can see number 6. To the right of the 100 you can see 5. So if it is greater than 5 or equals to 5, yes, you will be adding 1. Okay, add number 1 to this hundreds place. Okay, plus 1. So 6 plus 1 is of course 7. 0, 0. Okay, next 359. Ones, tens, hundreds. So in hundreds place you are having 3. Next to the 100 place, to the right of the 100 you are having 5. Of course here also 5 is equals to 5. So what you will be doing? Again you will be adding 1 here. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 400. 0, 0. Okay. Now multiply. 700 multiplied by 400. 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 sevens are 0. Now one gap. Again 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 sevens are 0. Next 2 gaps. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 sevens are 28. So add everything. 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 2. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 2,80,000. This is the answer. Did you all understood? Yes? Yes, of course you all understood, right? Okay. Next, we are going to see an example sum which is given in your book, page number 31. Page number 31, they have given an example sum in page number 31. Okay, so the sums, it is here. Okay, example 17. So here they have given estimate the product of 690 and 164 by rounding off the first number upwards and the second number downwards. So this is the first number 690 and 164 is the second number. So first number we have to round off to the upwards. We have to round it off to the upwards. Second number we have to round it off to the downwards. Okay. So 690 round off upwards. What you will get? So we'll do that. 690. 690. Ones, tens, 100. We have to round it off to the upwards. So in hundreds place you can see 6. To the right of the 100 you can see 9. Of course 9 is greater. So what you'll be doing? You'll be adding 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 2 zeros. This is the answer they have given here, 700. So next 164 rounded off downwards. So 164 when you round it off downwards, you'll be getting 160. But you should not write 160. So you have to write in a hundreds place as 100. We are changing here only in the hundreds place. Okay. So we have to change here simply as 100. That is downwards. Okay. So when you multiply 700 into 100, you will get 70,000. This is upwards and downwards. Okay. Next, I'll just do one sum in this thing. That is, they have given in the book. You can see here the question. Estimate the product of each of the following by rounding off the first number upwards and the second number downwards. So this is the first number, that is 681, and second number 163. So we'll do that sum. Okay. So the first 681 multiplied by 163. First number as upwards. Okay. Second number as downwards. Okay. First take 681. Ones, tens, hundreds. So in hundreds place 6 is there. To the right of 8. 8 is greater than 5. So if it is greater, you will be adding plus 1 in hundreds place. That is 6 plus 1, 7. So 0, 0. 2 zeros. To the right of the hundreds place, after rounding off, you will be adding zeros. Next, 163. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. So in hundreds place you are having 1. Okay, so when you make it as downwards, this 163 will become 100, because you are changing only in the hundreds place. So if you change here, you will get 200. You should not go 200 because it is not upwards, it is downwards. So simply you will be writing 100. Now you can multiply 700 multiplied by 100. 0, 0, 0 sevens are 0. Next one more 0. 1 0 is a 0, 1 0 is a 0, 0 sevens are 0. Next, here 1. So 2 gaps will be 1 0 is a 0, 1 0 0, 1 sevens are 7, 0. Add everything. If you add, you will get 70,000 as answer. Did you all understood? So I think so everyone understood. Now it's a time to give home assignment. Okay, it's a time to give home assignment. Homework. First, sum. That is 58 multiplied 83. This is nearest 10. That means what you should do? First you should change it as to the nearest 10 and then you should multiply it. Okay. Next sum is nearest 100. 272 into 339. This is nearest 100. You have to round it off to the nearest 100 and then you should multiply. Okay. Next is upwards downwards. Okay. First number 471 and the second number 159. First number is upwards, second number is downwards, and then you should multiply. Did you all understand? Okay, thank you students.